We often come to this restaurant. The food here is great.
Look, Max. All the waiters are wearing green today. They usually wear blue uniforms.
Can I have a bowl of pasta and some salad, please?
Sorry, we haven't got any pasta. But on the menu we've got a selection of pizzas. Look.
That's strange. You usually have pasta. We have pasta every time.
Usually? But you're our first customers.
Really? But this is Ken's Cafe, isn't it?
Ken's Cafe is next door. This is the pizza place. We only opened today.
So that's why it's different. Well, let's try it.
You're our first customers. Have free ice creams.
Wow! Thank you.